Meta AI has just introduced a tool that will make you money in a month if you use that tool to get started. Now, how about I show you how you can make on Meta AI, how to make $100 at least from anywhere in the world, even if you are a student, a stay-at-home mom, an unemployed person. You can very well get started with this and begin to make money. Yes guys, on this video I will be sharing with you 7 ways in which you can actually use the Facebook Meta AI to make money for yourself. And if this is of interest to you, then you want to watch this video to the end so that you can learn what I'm about to share with you and begin to take action on this. And I promise you, if you do everything that I'll be sharing with you, you will be making money for yourself. So guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you so much for always coming back. And if this is the first time you're seeing this video, I want to say welcome. Thank you so much. My name is Grace Ibe. On this channel, I share everything about making money, how to grow your business, how to get customers, and everything about you increasing your income. If that is of interest to you, then you want to join the family by subscribing right now and also setting notification bells so that you can always get notified when I put out a video like this. On this video, I will be sharing with you 7 ways in which you can use the Facebook Meta AI to begin to make money for yourself. So let's get into it already. So one way you can actually use the Meta AI to make money for yourself is to write a book. So I came on Meta AI right now and I asked it to write me a book on how to grow your business, all right? That it should write it in 5 chapters, giving me titles and introduction for the book. And this is what Meta AI did for me. It said, here is the 5-chapter book outline on how to grow your business with title, introduction and all, and it titled it Scaling Success, a guide to growing your business. And you can see the introduction that he gave me. Growing a business is challenging yet rewarding journey. Whether you are an entrepreneur, small business owner, or aspiring leader, this book will give you guide, right, with practical strategies and insights to help you navigate the process of scaling your business. So you can see that there is no way a business owner will see this, or any leader that will not buy this book using this introduction. So you can see the chapters: refining your business model, and it gives me subtitles, which is defining the target audience and value proposition, identifying unique selling points, developing scalable business model. Chapter 2, building a strong team and culture, gave me other things under it. Chapter 3, marketing and branding, and it went on like that to give me 5 chapters for my book. So this is one thing you want to do when you want to use AI Meta to actually make money for yourself, writing a book. I also asked it, okay, to explain in 500 words, okay, chapter 1. So you can see here is chapter 1 explanation, refining your business model, right? So a well-defined business model is a foundation of a successful and scalable business. It outlines how your company will generate revenue. So it went on to explain even the subtitle, defining your target audience and value proposition. So this is what you will do. Okay, you continue to do this for all of it, right? All the chapters that it gives you, you do this for all the 5 chapters, right? So after all of this, I asked it to create me an image. So this is the image that it created for me. Now one thing you want to do is that you can use this image directly on Canva, okay, or you can actually use this as an inspiration. So what we are going to do is maybe use this as an inspiration to create our own book cover. Okay, so you can use this image to create your own book cover. So this is all of it that it did for me. I'm going to show you how to actually use it to create your book cover on Canva. Okay, so I came on to Canva to ask it for book cover, and these are the amazing book cover template that it brought out for me. So guys, you can use any of these templates to actually create your own book cover. Now one thing you want to know about Canva is that Canva is a design application, right, that has paid version and a free version. Okay, so you can see all of these ones that have crown, okay, are the ones that you will pay for. So you can see this pro crown here. So this is the one you will pay for, and the other ones that do not have crown, like this ones, okay, you can see they do not have crown. These are the ones that you can actually use for free if you are not paying for the application. Okay, so you want to make sure that if you're using the free version, you choose the one that does not have the crown, and if you're using the pro version, you choose the one that have the crown. Okay, so you can see lot of templates that you can use to actually create your book cover. Now the beautiful thing you can do is, since you have gotten an image idea, you can come here to just look for a tree and just edit all of this, and your book cover will be ready. Then you download. Okay, so once you download, the next thing you want to do is to begin to sell your book. So I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can sell your book in no time. One thing you want to do after creating your book is to build your know, like, and trust factor, which is the KLT. So you want to build your know, like, and trust factor so that people can be able to know you, like you, and they'll be able to trust you with money so that they can buy the book that you have just created. So what you want to do is to begin to put out content on a daily basis as it relates to this book that you have just created. And the beautiful thing about this is that Meta AI tool can actually help you create this content that you want to do. So you want to go onto Meta AI tool and ask you to create new content as it relates to the book that you just created, and on a daily basis you would have something to put out for people to actually know, and you will have a call to action for them to actually go purchase the book. The next thing you want to do is to plan on how people will begin to buy. When you're planning on how people will begin to buy, I want to show you 5 ways in which you can actually put this book right there. Okay, 5 places where you can actually sell this book and have people buy. My number one is on your Facebook profile. Yes, guys, you can actually begin to create content on your Facebook profile and begin to have people buy the book that you just created. It does not matter what you have been doing before now with your Facebook. You can go clean it up, optimize it, and begin to use it for your product, right? Which is the book that you just created. Another thing you can do is to actually sell this book on your own website. So if you have a website, you can actually list this book on your website and begin to drive traffic to your website so that people can buy the book. Another thing you can do is for you to upload this book right here on Seller. Seller is a platform that helps you list your book and have people buy from you from all over the world. Yes, guys, people abroad, African countries, other African countries in Nigeria can also buy from Seller, and they will be able to pay you money. So you can list your book on Seller. Now, 5 other places that you would sell your book is the Facebook Marketplace. Yes, guys, you can actually sell using the Facebook Marketplace. Also, you can sell using Gigi. Gigi is another platform that you can list and sell your product. Another place you can list and sell your product is on Jumia or Konga. That is another place that you can also list and sell your product. Another place again that you can list and sell your product is on Amazon. That is another place. And my best of it all is that you can actually drive traffic to your WhatsApp and have people actually purchase the book that you have just created. Now, here is how to price the book you just created. When it comes to selling this book, I would actually advise that you sell this book at a price that can be affordable. Now, knowing that you just used Meta AI to actually create every of the content of this book, though the cover was created on Canva, you can very well sell this book between the price of 1,000 naira and 3,000 naira, so that you give people the opportunity to be able to afford to buy the book, right? So 1,000 naira and 3,000 naira if you're in Nigeria, and $1 to $3 if you're outside the country is something you want to price your book so that you can have a lot of people to actually buy from you. So this is how you can actually begin to make money for yourself using the Metal AI. Imagine getting 100 people to buy this book at 1,000 naira in a month. That is you making 100K on $100 in a month. How cool is that, guys? That is what you can do for yourself. Another thing you can do again using this Metal AI is to ask the Metal AI to actually create you video content for a faceless YouTube channel. So I went ahead to ask it to create me a cartoon video content that people, kids especially, can actually, learn from, right? And this is a faceless YouTube channel that I am looking at creating, and you can see how it was able to create that for me. So you can see here are some video ideas: adventure series, hero, superhero origin story, funny animal friends. I can create these videos, right? So it becomes my own faceless YouTube channel. So with this, I can go on to Canva and begin to create all of these videos, right? So all I just do is ask it to give me prompts that I can use. So follow the journey of a group of friends as they explore new words, new puzzles, and overcome challenges, right? So I can tell it to create me a video script, right, that relates to adventure series that I can use. So all of this is something you can do to make money using this AI feature. All right. With all of this put together, you can very well begin to make money from your Metal AI. Hope you have gotten value from this. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Let me know in the comments what book exactly you want to create, right, using this method that I have just talked about. Okay, I have a course on how to create an ebook that is starting in the month of June. You want to join that class so that you can learn more about what I have shared right here. So you can state in the comments interested, or there is a link in the description of this video so that you can join us in that class and begin to create your own book for yourself. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you again on another video. Before you click on any of these two videos that is popping right now so that you can learn how to use other AI tools to make money for yourself. All right, guys, bye bye.